up? It's me, Franny. Today, well, tonight, it's a nighttime. What, Bob? He's filming me. Tonight, Bob, I can't even talk. My brain is mush.
What is wrong with you?
I'm gonna start crying.
Why are you gonna cry? You can't start a vlog crying.
Bob, say hi.
Guys, first off, look how just cool I look. I look like I should be in a band. New pants, new base, painted. I just look like, does it look like I'm in a band?
Your pants match the base.
Does it look like I'm in like 5 seconds of summer?
Kind of.
That's right.
Gabby, this is your birthday.
It's DiCaprio's birthday. He turned 5 years old today. Look at that.
Oh.
My #1 fan. Look at
Gabby's. I didn't even say what the hell we're doing today.
Oh my gosh.
Tonight. All right, guys. So tonight
we're playing bass.
So this is something I've been wanting to try for a very long time. So today is like kind of like a vlog.
Franny, we're not gonna kiss.
I keep saying
Stop.
today, it's tonight. I wanted to try this for a while, but I'm gonna go with Bob to CVS.
Whoa, this news to me.
Or Walgreens or Target. I don't know where we're gonna go. We're gonna go and buy eyelash glue.
For what?
So there's this trend going around where people have been gluing the top of their lips, Bob.
To each other?
Like that, and it's like a permanent lip job.
You want me to do that with you?
Yeah.
Or you want me to watch it? You want me to do that to you?
No, we're gonna do it together. And then we're gonna buy lipstick and we're gonna just like look really hot.
Franny? I'll go if you can name this tune. We all make mistakes.
Loser! Maybe copyrighted?
No!
What is that?
Name it.
I don't know.
I'm only going if you name it.
I'm gonna start crying.
Tell them why you keep crying.
Guys, I just have a lot of stuff on my plate. I'm just like doing a million things and everything's just like lined up and I have to do one thing after another, after another, after another, after another, after another.
Aw, you mean live?
Yeah, but I like overwhelm myself though and I get like really anxious, but you know, it's life and I just...
Franny, it's okay, alright? You okay? I wrote a song about it. Franny, it's gonna be okay. You should have seen her face. She missed it. I'll take it from you. Like you guys are gonna have way better content now. Franny, what do you gotta say? What happened to your hand?
Alright, let's go to CVS, Bob. Really
Show 'em your shoes.
Oh yeah.
Clog around in those puppies. Like a penguin. What? Whoa, what's that?
Alright guys, so we're gonna get in the car and head to CVS. So we can get that lash glue. Right, Bob?
Right.
Okay, bye. Alright guys, so we're on our way to CVS. Bob,
Why did you talk like that?
Like what?
Well, hello, Sylvia.
I feel like you can't understand me ever.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't.
Every time I say something, you're like, what did you just say?
Yeah.
And he goes, what did you just say?
What did you just say?
You know like people say
I cannot
what?
see. Show them the sun. I just feel like there's no streetlights out here. I cannot see.
When Bob says, yeah, he goes, what did you just say? Instead of saying, what did you say?
What do you say?
Can you say, wait, say, what did you say?
What did you say?
No, but say, what do you say? What did you say?
What did you say?
Yeah, what did you say?
What did you say?
Yeah, you say, what did you say?
Yeah, what are you saying?
Yeah, but what did you say?
You're like skipping consonants or something.
Consonants?
I don't know. That's probably real, so laugh it up. Laugh it up, that's probably real. You're skipping contestants.
Have you?
How about what?
Have you ever had? I said, have you ever? Have you ever?
Sorry for not doing it more.
Have you ever? Why is that funny to you?
Oh, I was looking at your face.
Have you ever had lash?
Are you gonna cry?
Yeah.
Why? Have I ever had lash glue on my face?
Yeah.
When would that be an opportunity to happen? No. What do
I
you
don't
mean?
know.
Have you?
Have I ever put eyelashes on you? Like for video?
Yes, that was the worst.
Oh, so you have?
Not on my face.
Well, your eyes are on your face, so yeah.
Whoa, guys, she got me there.
Guys, sorry, this is just like a really...
Okay, I'm finished.
It's a really random vlog.
Why? It's called fun.
Yeah, this is honestly what I feel like our nights are usually like, so I'm bringing you along.
Oh my gosh,
oh my
in real
God,
life?
the night. What we do at night.
At night,
This
uncut,
is what we do at night.
Unfiltered today. We went 8 miles to the nearest Walgreens.
8 miles? That was like literally, that was like 0.2 miles.
Now they know where we live. Thanks.
They don't know where you live. How do you know where this Walgreens is?
Guys, it's 10 o'clock p.m. This is just a normal day.
Bob doesn't go to bed till like 3 anyway, so it's fine.
I can't go to bed before 3. I was watching Stars Born until 3:30 last night.
Okay, let's go.
I feel like ever since I blasted that music, you're a little annoyed at me.
Yeah, kind of over it, but whatever.
Like, tickle you.
I will drop this.
Tickle you.
Stop.
Can we go look at ice cream?
I found the glue.
Can we look?
I found the glue.
Can we go see other stuff?
Do you want to? Hold on. Wait, look, guys. I found the last. Let me grab this real quick.
So you're gonna take a pootie.
What? Oh. You need to buy lipsticks. What color? I said, what flavor do you want? What color do you want? You do
Revlon. We're talking L'Oreal.
Let's do Revlon. What color do you want?
You're in this position again. Dave, put a little poop emoji come out.
What color do you want? We'll just use the same
Red.
one. You want red?
Yeah, I'm putting it on first though.
No.
What do you mean? Welcome to my section. L'Oreal. Maybelline. Who was born with it?
Say Maybelline? It's Maybelline, you mother effer. Oh, I like this red. Okay, let's go.
Oh, are you gonna ask my opinion?
No.
Are we looking at anything else, or are you gonna make
cute.
us go home? Go talk to him. I'll give you $50 if you go and talk to him. Yeah,
He was cute. No.
I'll give you $100. $100 right now to Venmo. Why? Just be like, oh hey, like, come here often. There's a video. I'll give you $100.
No. The guy looking at it.
Guys,
Let's
if
go
you're
get
in
you
this
ice cream.
situation, would you do it for $100? Comment down below.
You need some pads, Bob?
What is wrong with you? Why are you like, do you need some? Why are we in this section?
You know what's gonna
Which I'm totally fine with. You need some of these? I'm totally fine with touching them.
You know what's gonna suck? When we get old and like we start peeing ourselves and stuff.
Why would that suck?
Peeing ourselves?
Yeah, you don't have to hold it.
You have to wear diapers.
Yeah.
You're just gonna be wet.
I'm wearing one right now.
Okay.
I'm going number 2 right now.
Ew.
Stop at a certain point. You? Franny, go. $100.
No.
Just to be like,
No.
okay, like, what's your situation? I'll give you $100. How much money do you want? I'm just gonna do it.
No.
I'm gonna do it.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
I will
I'm gonna
walk
be like,
out if you're crying.
You're already getting watery.
I'm too sensitive right now.
I'm going to. What's up?
Pick your
Okay. You know what she gets, guys? She threatened me.
What do you want?
I don't really like ice cream. Well, it's freezing in there, some would say.
Is it Italian nice?
I'm American. Franny, $100. $50, I'll do it for you. You give me $50. What? Oh, looks like we're gonna meet up with someone at the register. Whoa, my huge muscle. We gotta go check out. Franny, you're like a kindergartner in the back of the playground.
Love me.
What did you just say? Ow, what is happening? Ah, you guys are about to see some fireworks.
I'm gonna kill you.
Ah, you even took my sock off. Get the camera.
Bobby, no. Bobby, stop it. Alright guys, so we made it back to Bob's. We have the Italian ice that we're actually going to open first because I want it to one. Bob, what do you want? Watermelon or strawberry?
I want peace, Franny. Peace in this cruel world.
I want watermelon. What do you want?
Watermelon.
Both don't eat dairy ice cream. What happened?
First off, I hate single-use plastic. Second, this sound. Oh, look.
When you were in school, did you ever like try and flip it around to get all the juicy gooiness from the Italian ice from the bottom?
I'm sorry, I didn't go to school in a private school, Upper East Side, okay?
Huh?
I went to public school. We didn't have Italian ice. We had ice cubes and we squeezed lemon on it.
Really?
No, Andy dropped some. But no, I never eat Italian ice. Can't wait to eat.
Wait.
I'm full.
This is Lynn's, Bob.
Huh?
Lynn's Italian ice.
Lindy, first off.
Oh.
Lindy, thanks for the Italian ice.
Lindy's.
What are we doing?
Oh yeah.
It's been 5 minutes. Let's.
Sorry.
Oh yeah.
So to get to the nitty gritty of what we're doing today, we are gluing our effing upper lip. That is basically what the video is. Are you ready,
Is that
Bob?
gonna burn our skin off?
No. Put it on your eyelid.
It's gonna mess us up?
Invisible. Alright, let me do it to you.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh no. JC, can I try gluing yours?
Sorry about my roommate. Sorry about your old roommate.
Yeah, it's fine. Ready?
Okay, let's look at these red hots before. Do you even know what you're doing? Do you need to look up a tutorial on what they do?
They just glue the top of the lip.
Okay, don't put it on the red though.
No. I think this is how you do it.
What do I do? Hurry, it's drawing!
Move your lip up.
Is it supposed to be burning?
Is it burning?
Yeah. What do I do? Franny! Do I let it go?
Yeah.
Do I?
Yeah.
Nothing happening.
Hold on.
Hurry, hurry.
Hold on, we need to let it get tacky too.
What's that mean?
I think you're like doing it too high up.
Yeah.
Let me try it.
This is what we're doing tonight, guys. Oh no, my finger's stuck.
Dude, this
my
thing
finger's
doesn't
stuck.
fucking
Look, my
work.
finger's stuck.
Oh look.
It's getting on the inside.
I look like I have like a buck tooth.
You do have buck teeth. Let's do this and let it go at the same time.
3, 2, 1.
Ew, look! Ew! Did you see me?
No!
Ew!
I have to put more on. Hold on.
Did you call me a moron? Ew, I look disgusting. Is this flammable? I'm eating it. Ew, I think it's working. Look, look, look! Okay, go, go, go. Give me more.
So we have the glue right above our Cupid's bow, and now we're just holding it.
Do not do this at home. It's probably poisoning us right
I
now.
look like Bucktooth Sally.
There's this person on Twitter called Snaggletooth Sally. She believe a lot of
Why
us.
would she bully you? What would she say?
And it was a picture of like a guy in like a dress with a unibrow. Are you pushing hard? Mm-hmm. Me too. I'm gonna bleed.
You'd like someone to blow on this.
No one's gonna
Come
be
here.
blowing up. No.
Come here. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, look at mine. Look at mine. Look at mine. Look at mine. Ew, don't screenshot it.
Ours just staying.
Ew. Oh, it's going. Dude, we need to wipe this off. Dude, mine's already done. I don't know what else you want me to do.
Mommy.
Who is it? I'm gonna be embarrassed right now. Look at my lip. Why did you look at it in terror?
Oh my god, it stayed.
Mine too.
It stayed.
Wait, yours doesn't look bad at all.
What about me? What do we do?
Your bottom lip.
Is it glue?
Lash glue.
Look at that.
He was like, you look LA.
I think you should go out like that, full day.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Ew, I don't want to ever see me like this again. It's stuck.
Look.
Ew, side view looks gross.
Really?
Yeah. Look at my side view.
You look like Miley Cyrus.
I look like a lady named Rita. Rita's watching. She's like, huh?
You look like Miley Cyrus.
Dude, I'm a little concerned that it's still like this. This is disgusting. I'm getting so many screenshots. It looks like we're like having a reaction, which we might be. Dude, I need a wash.
There's
This is
no
toxic.
way.
Can we finish it? Can we end it?
No way I'm putting lipstick on this because it'll get in my mouth. Alright guys, well, mine is stuck to the top.
Ew. Actually,
Doesn't look bad.
yeah, I like it.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's probably the most random ass video you've ever seen on my channel. I've been wanting to try this for the
You look
longest.
so funny. Show them a side view.
It's the same as like my normal lips.
Okay.
Mine's really staying.
Mine is too, which is kind of scary. Let's wrap it.
This is a vlog
Ew.
/ trying this trendy lip thing, which works. Imagine just walking out like this. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what other videos you'd like to see me do. Put those push notifications on so when I upload, y'all know exactly what I do.
Look at me.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Bob's channel.
Mostly mine though. Thank you guys.
Oh my god, I forgot to mention.
Guys, special announcement time.
So I am going to be performing in LA next month on October 19th at the Peppermint Club. Unfortunately, it is only 21+, but I promise you I will be doing many more shows that are all ages. I don't know if y'all
Really?
I don't know if y'all even take me seriously right now because I have my lip just glued to the top of my
If you're
nose.
near LA,
If you're in
check
LA
it
and
out.
you're over 21, come and check it out. The tickets, I'll leave the link down below for the tickets. It's $15 if you get them in advance, $20 at the door. So I'm going to be performing my first show. I'm really excited. I hope you guys can make it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
See you.